This is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul. Well, I had more to it, but I already used it. Like, I had a whole bunch of candy bars because I was making candy bar wrappers for 2 different people. So I had like 16 candy bars. Then what else I have in there? There was something else that I already used up. I forgot what it was. But anyway, I did put back the Project Life cards. I picked them up and I put them back because I didn't need them, but they had some Project Life cards, and I posted them on Instagram. They also had some Smashbook stuff, which I already had. They had, haven't seen how they swap stuff, but they had some other types of yarn. Yes, I've been back on this paper napkin thing with my girlfriends and stuff, and yeah, I got a problem. But anyway, love the red background and the black and white background because you don't find those that often, so I had to get those. They already open because I already gave some to my friends. Next to the Dollar Tree after we did our Tuesday morning. We went to the Dollar Tree. We all got different packs of Dollar Tree napkins and we swapped. I got 3 or 4 of these. I already used some of them up. I mean, the other 2 packs up. Did get this one. My daughter used to do dance, ballet, hip hop, jazz, and all that kind of stuff. I picked these up for my grandson, and this is again has that. Hopefully can make something with it for his background. I can put this on some cardstock, make a chipboard piece or something out of it, but one is a robot scrapbook and the other one is a superhero scrapbook, so thought maybe somehow I could use that. Picked up these rolls. You can see the little iridescent, the little print inside of them. I use these to cover my candy bar wrappers, so that's why I got those. And I think I'm still missing another bag, which was candy and something else. Oh, toothpicks, and it was something else that I was using for this party stuff. But anyway, that's the gist of it. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. God bless. Bye-bye.